Hello, hi, my name is Jamie. I'm the founder of 60-Second Chords, where I teach you how to play chords in under 60 seconds. Again, this video is brought to you by my good friends at Rhodecase Audio. They're allowing us to use this Rhodes patch. Now we are going to be in the key of C, looking at the sharp 4, the 7, and the 3. This lesson is intended for those who are looking to pass to get to the 3. So, in the key of C, we're looking at the sharp 4, which would be the F sharp, the 7, which would be the B, and the 3, which would be the E. Now your chords consist of the following. It would be, in your left hand, be F sharp and C sharp, and in your right hand, you have E, F sharp, and B. Now we're going to the 7. This would be, in your left hand, the B, and in the right hand we have a C diminished, which would consist of C, E flat, F sharp, and A. And then now we're getting to the 3. The 3 would be a minor chord. I am using a substitution, and that would be, in your left hand, E, B, E, and in the right hand we have a D major chord, which would simply be A, D, F sharp. So now let's play that through together. So there you have it. Sharp 4, 7 to the 3. Now, thank you guys for watching. I want you guys to apply this to all 12 keys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.